So carry on with the question 8 now. Jenny, Ivy, and Karen have a total sum of $336. Ivy and Jenny have $168 altogether. Jenny and Karen have $240 altogether. What is the ratio of Ivy's to Karen's share of money? So you put I and V is $168. No, can I work out how much Karen have by looking at this and this? I can, right? If I take $336, subtract 168, subtract Jenny, cancel away, Ivy minus, I left Karen. So Karen's share of money is 336 subtract 168, which is 168. Likewise here, if I take 336 subtract 240, I minus, who do I minus away? Jenny I minus away, Karen I minus away. I'm left with Ivy. So Ivy's share of money is given by 336 subtract 240, $96. Then I can find my ratio, 96 to 168. I use my calculator. Alright, you go and press, you will have 4:7 as your answer. Question 9. There were 720 balls and bats in a shop. 2 out of 7 of the bats and 1/3 of the balls were blue. So recognize bats is 7 unit, 2 is blue, 2 unit is blue. Balls total 3 unit, 1 unit is blue. The rest of the bats and ball were then is pink color. There were 210 blue bats and balls in total. How many bats were there in the shop? So you draw a simple model. The bats I have 7 unit, 2, 4, 6, 7. 2 unit is blue. Balls 3 unit, 1, 2, 3. 1 unit is blue. So blue, blue. Total number is 720. Right? Total balls and bats. Recognize that this shaded will give me 210 blue ball. These are all blue. If I multiply by 3, what do I have? If I multiply 210 by 3, I have 6 units of the blue bat. Multiply by 3, I have 2, 4, 6. Multiply by 3, I have 1, 2, 3 units of ball, right? So you can see 2 units of blue bats and 1 unit of blue ball is 210. If I multiply by 3 throughout, so I have 6 units of blue bat and 3 units of ball. 210 times 3 are 630. Can I find 1 unit here? So I'm left with 1 unit of bat. So 1 unit of bat is given by 720, subtract 630. I have 90. So this is 90 each bar. So I have 7 units. I take 90 times 7. 630 is my answer. Question 10. Okay, the line graph below shows the visitors at the museum during the first 6 months. January, this is 450. February, 325. Recognize I have 4 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units is 100 visitor. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 unit is divided 4, I have 25. So 1 unit is 25 visitors only. March 600, April 650, May 500, and June I have 725 visitors. Question. Push up. What is the total number at the museum in the first 3 months? So you just add 450, 325, and 600. You will get 1375 as your answer. Question B. If 60% of the visitors were from overseas 60%, and the rest were local, so local is 40%. How many visitors at the museum in June were from overseas? So for June, 100% is 725. Right? You find 1%, I divide 100. I keep this number first. I want to find how many from overseas, so I need to find 60%. So I times 60 times 60, I get 435 visitors. Next question, 11. Mr. Lee bought an iPad at a 15% discount. He had to pay a 7% GST on the discounted price. The usual price of the iPad was $560. So usual price is 100%. How much did Mr. Lee pay for the iPad? So iPad will be 85%. So how much he pay will be 85%. You have to add the 7% GST. So before that, work out what is the discounted price. Discounted price will be 85%. 85% times your 100% times 560, you will get 476. This is the amount. This is your discounted price. Then you work out 7% on the discounted price. GST 7% times 476. You have 33.32. Then the price Mr. Lee pay will be the 7% plus the discounted price, which is 509.32. Next question. 7. 12. May bought a box of oranges with 2/5 of her money. 1/10 of the oranges were rotten, and she gave, so total oranges is 10 units, 1 unit is rotten. She gave 1/3 of the remaining unit oranges. So if 1 unit is rotten, I'm left with remaining will be 9 units, correct? And use 7/12 of what was left. She had $70 worth of oranges left behind. What was the total amount of money May had at first? This question rather complicated. Look at the model. Look at this part here. 10 unit oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 unit rotten. And she gave 1/3. So remaining is 9 units. 1/3 times 9. I will have 3 units. So 3 units give to the brother. I'm left with 6 units here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And she used 7/12 of what was left. Now this is left. So 7/12. So here I further subdivide into 12 units. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 7 out of 12 was left to make juice. So 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 out of 12 multiplied by what was left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/10. Then after this is what used to make juice, she left with $70 of oranges worth. So let's check here. So 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small units is $70. Right? So 1 small unit is 70 divided by 5. I have $14. $14 is 1. Can I find total here? Total here will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 units. 12. If I further look at this, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So this whole bar here is 20 units. So I find 20 units, I take 14 times 20, I have $280. So this whole thing is $280. Okay, $280. So what is this? This is the amount used. This is the amount she used. Okay, to buy oranges. Okay, so if you look back, $280. Okay, $280 is the amount, is 2/5 of her money to buy the oranges. So $280 is equivalent to 2/5 of her money. So that's why I put 2/5 is the same as $280. I find then I have 2 units is $280. Total amount of money will be 5 units because her money is 5 units here. She only used 2 units of her money to buy the oranges. So here I find 1 unit, 140. I find total 5 units times 5, $700. $700 is what she had at first. Next question.